Hello friends, how are you all? I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Things by Amit. In the last video, we'll talk about the basic procedure, basic guidelines behind export business, how to export anything from India. This video, I tell you brief introduction about export documentation part. If you come directly into this video, then I request you all to please watch that video which explain detail about guidelines for beginners to start the export. Here is the I button link provided, the directly video link. So in this video we discuss about the actual export process. When you get the export order confirmation, then how you proceed and how you dispatch that export goods to buyers. So let's start. So first things for actual export is confirmation of order. The confirmation of order indicates following things: items, which kind of items you exported, their specification, their packing condition, their delivery schedules, and of course payment condition terminologies. And also there is need to be a formal agreement with overseas buyer where all this will be included. So next thing after this is procurement of goods. So after confirmation of order, actual manufacturing of process is started. So according to the buyer condition, buyer's specification, everything need to be considered, and within the delivery time you need to deliver that goods to the buyers. Yes, time limit is actually benefited here to increase your business, to increase your trust and liabilities. So this is the procurement of order. So after procurement of goods, next thing is quality control. Quality control is the main criteria, since there are many more goods need to be exported from India, while there are the chances of pre-shipment inspection for some kind of the goods like agriculture, like fisheries, like chemicals. So these needs pre-shipment inspection. So you need to be done this to maintain the quality of the goods. And sometimes buyer also demands their own inspection from their country also. So yes, you can allow these also to increase the buyer's trust, because the quality is most important thing for a buyer and for that whole export business. After quality control, there is finance. Finance is the most important thing, since finance management is more important for initial level, for initial entrepreneur which has this first export order. So pre-shipment and post-shipment finances are much important. But I will tell you one suggestion for every beginner, that your finance bank will definitely help you in this. In case of the letter of credit, in case of one more facilities available where your order is confirmed, all things are confirmed, you need to go to the bank and they will give you the credit at the lowest interest rate with the 180 days of the duration. But you need to be focused that your payment schedule will be confirmed, will be returned to the bank within 180 days. Otherwise overdue charges will be applicable from the bank. Even if there is advance payment, then this is the very best things, that first order is advance, then your all things about the finances will be solved from the next order. So these things need to be considered. The next thing after finance is labeling, packing and marking. So labeling, packing and marking much important, because see there are many kind of packings are there for your goods, but you need to select that kind of packing which reduce cost, which looks attractive, since good packing helps in easy handling, maximum loading and reducing shipment cost, and also easy for standards of cargo. So these things will need to be considered. For that is the packing is most attractive, also you need to be look that attractive packing, and also the weight should be lowered as much as possible. So then after marking, so marking involves following things like address, package number, name of the port, destination, their weight and handling instruction. These need to be included in the mark. Next thing is insurance. Insurance will help you to protect from damage and also from frauds also sometimes. So marine insurance policy is there. You need to apply every consignment. The marine insurance policy is very much helpful for you. Then custom procedure. Custom procedure is the prime part of the export. The first is BIN number, business identification number, just like your PAN, there is BIN number. Then your overseas bank account linkage is very much important also. Next thing is EDI, electronic data interchange. If you are registered, then EDI is the your identity, where your all transaction will be see. You can see your transaction, you can check how much turnover will be there in every year. So this is very much important, where all the specification included here, where checklist are provided, and you can check all the documents as per the requirement, and you can do the shipments. But in case of non-EDI, electronic data exchange interchange are there, but non-EDI are the items will not be included in this. So that time you need to be fulfill the separate form, where all these documents will need to be prepared from yourself and submit to the authorized agents. You can get help from the CHA, custom house agent, where custom house agent will provide the custom clearance, freight forward, logistics, all these things, where sometimes you need certification like FITO certificate, fumigation certification is there. So custom housing agent will provide this also. CHA plays very much important role, which helps you to export any consignee. See, sometimes there is specific CHA, while some are very much interested or very much experienced with agriculture, very much interested in our pharmaceuticals, their fisheries, then electronics, automobile. So you need to be focuses on that CHA, which is particularly specific for your consignee specification. So that way CHA will help. And lastly, the shipping bill generated. So custom house agents should definitely help you to remove your cargo from custom. Next is preparation of the documents, where including a commercial invoice, packing list, bill of landing, bill of export or import. These need to be you need to be collect all this. And the next thing is you need to submit documents to your bank. This includes bill of exchange, letter of credit, invoice, packing list, bill of landing, declaration under foreign exchange, inspection certificate and certificate of origin, and any other document if you needed, you need to be prepared. The bank will demand you for preparation, so accordingly you can prepare. You need to consider the realization of export proceeds. So by that way you can export any goods from India to other countries. So the difference is their product specification, means some products need to be registered in their country, some demands that your registered office should be there in that country, and some products are there where various certifications are required, like chemical certification are there, phyto certification is there, depends on your product. And also there is maintenance of, likewise I am telling you, pre-shipment inspection is. Get help from CHA agents are there, where they can help you in all these things. So by that way you can export anything from India. So I think this series, that the first part of this video and this is the second part of video, both will definitely help you to export anything from India. So if you have any kind of query regarding export, you are a new beginner, you have issues with document, with custom clearance, with anything, you can contact us at mypharmacareer2@gmail.com. You can email us and we will definitely revert you and will help you to grow your business. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget to share this video and definitely subscribe our channel. So thank you from my end. Be healthy, be happy.